Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to use masking to create cool video effects in CapCut PC. Now to get started for this, what we need to do in here is to click onto this new project to begin. So it will open the CapCut editor page. And once this one is already loaded, it's time to go ahead and add in the videos that we're gonna mask. So we need two videos for this, and to import them, there is an import option here onto the upper left corner of the screen. So you could simply click onto this to browse onto your different files to add in a video, or you could go ahead and simply drag and drop the videos that you want to add. So let's drag and drop it in here just like that. And then right after, we're going to go ahead and add these two clips onto the timeline here, onto the bottom part. So we're going to go ahead and drag it just like that. Now, right after, what we need to do, we could review the clip by holding this one in here and dragging this. And then let's try to go ahead and cut where we want to end the video. So for example, this one, we're going to go ahead and cut it or split it just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and delete this other option in here. Now first, to be able to begin masking, let's click onto the first clip in here. And here onto the right side, we could see the mask option. Simply click onto that and there are a lot of options to choose from. But for this specific video, we're going to use horizontal for that one. So we're going to go ahead and click onto this keyframe in here, since we're going to start it in here and we'll adjust it first here onto the bottom part so that it will show the whole video. Now we're going to mask it as per the car in here. So as you can see, the car has moved. We're going to go ahead and try to move it just like that so that it should follow the car. So we're going to go ahead and continue doing that up until we cover all of the videos. So you could adjust it as per your liking, and you could go ahead and try to move it like that to go ahead and finish this one off. So as you can see, it should look something like that. And for us to be able to apply already the masking, you're just going to go ahead and have this off front. We're going to split this one as well, or delete it to the right so that it will match the video, and it should look something like this. As you can see, the other video is already following the car, and it will go ahead and close in just like that. So there are a lot of options also in here if you want to do a horizontal, a mirror or circle, or a rectangle or heart onto the mask video in here. So you could also adjust the position here onto its bottom part. So instead of doing it just like earlier that we're just dragging out this certain line, you could also adjust its position in here. You could also do a rotation here, and also to go ahead and add in more like a smooth transition, we could go ahead and add in a feather for that so that it should look something like this. And you could do a quick preview once you're already satisfied for that. And that is just basically it onto how to use masking to create cool video effects in CapCut PC. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.